Alright, hon. We've got to get moving. Oh, maybe I can't. Oh. Huh? A scrap of human claw. Perfect. Ow. There we go. That should stop the bleeding for a little bit. Now come on. We've got to go. Alright, Sheila. That's enough for today. Alright? Yeah, that's okay for today. Alright, Mom, come on. We've been here long enough. They're going to find us. I guess you're right. But where can we go? I don't know. I'm hungry. To the hunting grounds, then. Where's that? There. This way. Come on. But, Mom, I don't feel like walking. I mean, just yesterday I learned how to stand. You're not a puppy anymore. You can talk. So what? Mom, I think I see an elk. I got it, honey. I don't know how to walk still. Ow. I fell. Okay. We're done eating. What? No? No, we're not. Yes, Shayla. We have to be. But, Mom, I don't feel like we should move on anymore. Sheila, come on. I'll carry you. You can put me down now. I can walk. Are you sure? Yes, Mom. I can. Hold on. What do you smell? I smell other wolf. I smell grass. Well, your nose hasn't developed all the way. We're in another wolf's territory. Are we in their pack or just their territory? Just their territory for now. But if we continue, we'll be in their pack. Let's go. No, Sheila. I'm not exactly sure we should. Why not? Well, it might be a bad pack. Well, nothing can be bad as Black Mask. Right. Alright, come on, let's go. But are you sure you can keep up? Maybe. Alright. Let me carry you again. Who are you, and what do you want with my pack? Wait a second. Dearla. How do you know? You surely are a stupid wolf, poodle, Laskin Malamute, husky. not a poodle. Oh yes, you have traces. Actually, much more than just traces of poodle in you. Mom, I'm scared. It's okay, Sheila. Alright now, what are you doing in my pack? I'm sorry, we were just looking for a new pack to join because Black Mask rejected you. How do you know? Look, as Clawden, me and Black Mask, well, we're brother and sister. That's no. Sheila, I need you to keep quiet, okay, honey? Okay, Mom. That would be for the better. But I okay, you guys are brother and sister. But how do you know that I'm here? Because he rejected me. Listen, because we're brother and sister, we pass messages to each other. You escaped to the hunting grounds, and that's when we sent the message. Or we received the message. What? So now, our guards were on the lookout, and then when they smelled your scent... But I don't have a scent. Your blood, darling. Oh. Well, dear, sorry to say this, but you're not allowed here. Why not? Why not, Clawden? Because you're an outcast. You're not even a pure wolf. You never have been a wolf. You never will be a wolf. Even if you have all your whatever kind of blood you have in you, you won't ever be a wolf. Ever. Hey everyone, it's me, Elsa from LPS Elsified. And I'm sorry I just left you on a cliffhanger, but it's the way the world works, people. Okay, so Skillich 12, that was the next episode for you and all my other viewers. This is probably going to be by far my best series. I know my channel is dedicated to LPS, but I'm gonna be honest with you here. I think this is gonna be the best series. Yeah, so my number one series called Werewolf Within Me, starring Kai, that will be held off due to this series because I'm so happy for this series. I love it. I love it. I love it! Okay. I made this marble out of polymer clay. I made it. Anyways, so, thanks for watching. After this video, it'll be my 199th episode of something. This next video that I'm going to be making shall be the 199th video on LPS Elsified. And then I will be making my 15 subscriber special. No, I won't. But I will do that. But first, I need to do something else. So, guys, I will see you in the next episode of Ways of the Wolf. Poof. I'm still here. Don't worry. I didn't disappear. Poof.